Hey everybody, it's Adam Jorgensen here with Pragmatic Works, back for another edition of Azure Every Day, and today I have a secret. I have a secret Azure Data Treasure Map that was put out by the Azure CAT team, and CAT stands for Customer Advisory Team. If you don't know who the Customer Advisory Team is, it's a group of incredibly talented men and women from all over the world who work at Microsoft, and they work with the biggest Azure customers solving the coolest scale, complexity, deployment, automation, functionality problems. And they're finding some really very cool things over the last few years. And so they've taken all of that and they've published it in the Azure Data Architecture Guide from CAT. And so there's guides on our traditional relational workloads, big data architecture, things on batch processing, machine learning at scale, scenario patterns for advanced analytics and data lakes and processing text, and there's so much. The table of contents is 3 or 4 pages. You've absolutely got to check this out. If you go out to Bing or to Google and just type in Azure Data Architecture Guide CAT, C-A-T, we'll put the link down in the description, but I guarantee you will find this super useful. They're also looking at things like transferring your data to and from Azure, how to make pipelining work in Azure when you're moving data between different applications. And so I'm going to leave the rest of the time for this video for you to actually go out, pull it up, and bookmark it, because it's a very cool thing to read, whether you're bored on a meeting, whether you're sitting at the dentist office waiting to be called, whether you're playing hooky from work one day just because you want to work on some cool new Azure labs and some, self-development. All of that stuff is really great to read whenever you have downtime. So I would highly recommend this. Our team has been using it now for a while. I'm super glad to see it actually come out and be published for the public, because it's super cool. It is our secret Azure Data Treasure Map. Our team helped develop a number of those sections as well, and we're super proud of that. But the Azure CAT team really has outdone themselves again. So please go out, check it out, the Azure Data Architecture Guide from CAT. Once again, I'm Adam Jorgensen with Pragmatic Works here on Azure Every Day. Have a great day.